Greetings, folks. I want to tell you guys about the two different damper controls that are located on the TKS-15 model. So located at the rear of the stove is actually going to be our secondary damper control, and pulled out is going to be wide open and pushed in will be fully closed. And then again, we do have our primary damper control located here on the bottom. So when you're facing the front of the stove, if it is pushed all the way to the left, that's going to be wide open. Pulled towards the right is going to be closed. When starting your fire, you always want both damper controls to be wide open. So again, this is the TKS-15 model, which includes just two simple damper controls.